Alright guys, today's going to be a different video. So people always ask me how to make perfect rice in a Instant Pot. So here is my Instant Pot. All I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in right now. I don't actually keep it plugged in or anything, so we put that in. You'll hear a beep. Okay, so you want to make sure your rice is submerged in the water. It doesn't have to be too deep or anything, just make sure it's just covered. Okay, and then there's actually 2 cups of rice in there, so hit the button and you're pretty much good to go. So I'll be right back and I'll show you. Alright, so the rice is all done. Let's open this up. As you can see, the rice is perfect, fluffy, consistent throughout. So yeah, it's pretty easy to make your rice in the rice cooker. It can be tricky if you just started out, but I mean the Instant Pot, so it works quite well. If you have any questions or comments, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.